Hello. What's up, Ketchup? Today, we are going to discuss about perspective drawing. Perspective drawing is a technique in illustration. It is used to show three-dimensional images on a two-dimensional picture plane or paper. Basically, there are three kinds of perspective drawing. Now, let's identify the different kinds of perspective drawing. But before anything else, let's identify the things or steps in making perspective drawing. First, start with the horizon line. This is the line for which the sky meets the ground or bodies of water. The height of the horizon will affect the placement of the vanishing points or the scene's eye level. Next, identify the vanishing point. The vanishing point is the place where we start and appear the parallel lines, then these lines come together in the distance. Orthogonal lines. These lines are directed to a vanishing point. These are the basic things to remember in making a perspective drawing. Now let's have the one-point perspective. It's a linear perspective with just one vanishing point. It's usually appear at the center part of the scene or our illustration. Let's start in identifying the horizon line. Then let's make one point where our orthogonal lines start and lead us as a guide. Follow this guide, then start our drawing. Next is the two-point perspective. This perspective drawing uses two vanishing points. These vanishing points are placed in far left and far right of our working area. Again, start by drawing a horizon line. Make two vanishing points, then follow the orthogonal lines or the perspective lines. Last is the three-point perspective. This perspective drawing is more complex. This perspective drawing is composed of three vanishing points. It has a vanishing points in far left and far right, and the third vanishing point is added above or below the horizon line. If the third vanishing point falls below the horizon line, it gives an effect of bird's eye view. These are the basic types of perspective drawing. Try and practice this technique in illustration. It can make your next project or drawing look more two-dimensional, and next-level kind of work. Till next art tutorial. Power and keep safe always.